Hello, good morning students. Today we are going to continue with lesson 22. Yesterday we completed ing form of the verb. Today we are going to study simple present tense was over, simple past tense and simple future tense. Both lessons I am going to take today continuously. Okay, I will give you explanation and fill in the blanks are given in that lesson. Those blanks I will send you photo on your WhatsApp group. Okay, now here in simple past tense, here it is told that two examples are given. Now I will talk about first simple past tense. What example is given here? Look at the following sentence. Radha played in the garden. Radha played in the garden. What did Radha do? She played in the garden. P-L-A-Y-E-D, played. The action which is already happened. She played means she might have played yesterday, she might have played in morning. Bhutka, correct? Today we are going to study about भूतकाळ आणि भविष्यकाळ. जी गोष्ट होऊन गेलेली आहे ती भूतकाळामध्ये सामील होती किंवा इट इज काउंटेड इन पास्ट टेन्स. भूतकाळ म्हणजे काय इंग्लिशमध्ये? पास्ट टेन्स. सो इन सिंपल पास्ट टेन्स ईडी इज ॲडेड. प्ले ईडी, प्लेड म्हणजे ती गोष्ट होऊन गेलेली आहे. समजलं? नेक्स्ट वन. Here the verb played shows that the time of the action done has passed. काय झालेली आहे? ॲक्शन होऊन गेलेली. कसली ॲक्शन होऊन गेलेली? प्लेइंगची ॲक्शन राधाची होऊन गेलेली आहे. इट माइट बी yesterday or it might be day before yesterday or it might be 2 days before. जी गोष्ट भूतकाळात होऊन गेलेली, past which is over, that is called simple past tense. A verb which shows the time of action completed in the past, here it is now. Meaning, the verb which shows the time of action completed in the past is said to be in the simple past tense. Now, simple past tense is used to indicate the action completed in the past, and second one it is told that past habits. Okay? He went to bed early yesterday. He went to the bed early yesterday. Went काय आहे? पास्ट टेन्स मधला वर्ब आहे. ओके, वन मोर एक्झाम्पल इज गिवन. ही ड्रोव टू वर्क एव्हरी डे. ही ड्रोव टू वर्क एव्हरी डे मीन्स व्हॉट? ड्रोव, ड्राइव, ड्रोव, ड्राइविंग. There are 4 forms of verbs. Yesterday I told you there are 4 forms of verbs. Now here, went. What is first form of simple? In simple present tense we use go. In simple past tense we use went. In perfect tense we use gone. Okay? And last one, going. Understood? And we are studying this one, which is used in the past. Went. Understood? So, the actions which are already over in the past, or the verb which shows the time of action which is already happened in the past, such verbs are called, or such verbs are in which tense? The verb in simple past tense. Now what is there in future tense? Now here example is given. Radha played in the garden. Future tense मध्ये काय होणार आहे त्याचा? Radha will play in the garden. Radha will play in the garden. Will play. Played चं काय झालं? रूपांतर. What change has been taken here? Ed is changed to will play. And this will play is in which tense? The verb in simple future tense. Action जी भविष्य काळात होणार आहे, which will happen. ओके, भविष्य काळ म्हणजे काय? उद्या होणार आहे किंवा आज संध्याकाळी होणार आहे. आपल्याला माहिती का आपल्या आज संध्याकाळी काय होणार आहे किंवा आज दुपारी काय होणार आहे? आपल्याला माहित असतं का? नो. फ्युचर टेन्स वी नेवर नो. Understood or not? So the actions which will take place in future, such actions or such verbs in the sentences tells about the future tense. Now here it is given examples of future tense. Look at the following sentences. He will see you tomorrow. तो तुला उद्या बघणार. ती ॲक्शन होऊन गेलेली आहे का? नो. इट विल टेक प्लेस टुमॉरो. ॲक्शन उद्या होणार आहे. उद्या सनराईज होणार, मग तुम्ही भेटणार आणि मग तुम्ही एकमेकाला भेटणार. ओके. वी शाल प्ले द मॅच ऑन संडे. टुडे इज व्हॉट डे? फॉर एक्झाम्पल टुडे इज फ्रायडे. अजून 2 दिवसांनी तुम्ही संडेला मॅच खेळणार आहे. मग ती that action is already over or what? No, that action is not over. That action will take place after 2 days, and such tense is known as simple future tense. What it is known as? Simple future tense. Next one. Here, the simple future tense is used for an action that has yet to take place and for the state event that has yet to occur. जी होणार आहे, जी ॲक्शन अजून होणार आहे, आपल्याला माहीत नाही आहे ती ॲक्शन. ओके. वेदर इट विल, ती ॲक्शन होणार आहे का नाही होणार आहे, आपल्याबरोबर काय होणार आहे फ्युचरमध्ये आपल्याला माहीत नसतं. ओके. सो नाउ डिफरंट फॉर्म्स ऑफ वर्ब. नाउ इन simple past tense I will write down here, and in simple future tense I will write down here. Okay. I was, we were, you were, again you were, he was, she was, it was, and they were. Understood? When we talk about singular, ज्या वेळेस आपण एकाबद्दल बोलतो, एका माणसाबद्दल, when we talk about one person, when we talk about one woman, when we talk about one lady, when we talk about one boy, when we talk about one girl, that time we use was. I alone, one. I was, he, only one person, he was, she was, one lady, she was, it was. Understood? And more than one means what? One means singular, many means plural. Then we were, you were, you go and stand outside. It can be more than one. एकापेक्षा जास्त असू शकतात. ओके. You can go and stand outside. It can be told to all students. So we were, आपण सर्व, you were, तुम्ही सर्व, they were, ते सगळे सर्व. Understood? So where to use was and where to use were, this you have to keep in mind. And these are what? These are auxiliary verbs. Okay. Auxiliary verbs means what? Helping verbs. Now main verb, which will be main verb? I was playing. I was playing. We were playing. We were playing. In this sentences, playing is main verb, action verb. Playing is main verb, and was is what? Helping verb. It is what? Was is what? Was is helping verb, and playing is main verb. Understood? Is there any doubt? In this way, some examples are given on page number 34 here. Okay, I will send you photo of this question, fill in the blanks. Okay, this fill in the blanks and this fill in the blanks of future tense. Tomorrow again about simple future tense I will explain you in more detail. Keep in mind, जी गोष्ट होऊन गेलेली आहे, that is called simple past tense, or the verbs which are used to tell the actions which are already happened, that is simple past tense. The actions which will take place tomorrow, afternoon, evening, जी भविष्यात होणार आहे, that is called simple future tense. Understood? Like yesterday I sent you photo of lesson number 24 and 25. Like that I will send you photo of lesson number 22 and 23 today. Okay? Have you understood what you have to do? I will send you these answers. Please write down these answers in your English notebook, or if you have English grammar book, you can write down answers in your English grammar book. Okay? Thank you. And our portion will get over tomorrow. I will explain you what is simple future tense little bit, and then 4 standards portion of English Balbharti and English grammar is over. You have to do revision. स्टडी करायचं आहे. ओके, अंडरस्टूड आर नॉट? Simile lesson, from simile lesson of grammar question answers are coming. From ing form of lessons in paper pattern questions are given. See those paper questions in paper pattern and then find out those questions in your books and notebooks. Okay, thank you.